To file Ohio state taxes, you will need to gather all necessary documents and follow a step-by-step process. First, collect your W-2 forms, 1099 forms, and any other relevant tax documents. You will also need your Social Security number and Ohio State Identification Number. Next, determine which Ohio State tax form you need to file, which can be found on the Ohio Department of Taxation website. The most common forms are the IT-1040 and the IT-1040EZ. The IT-1040 is used for most individuals, while the IT-1040EZ is used for those with simple tax returns. Now, you can choose to file your Ohio state taxes electronically or by mail. Electronic filing is faster and more secure, and can be done through the Ohio Department of Taxation website or through a tax preparation software. If you choose to file by mail, you can download the necessary forms from the Ohio Department of Taxation website and mail them to the address listed on the form. The cost to file Ohio state taxes varies depending on the method you choose. If you file electronically through the Ohio Department of Taxation website, it is free. If you use a tax preparation software, the cost can range from $20 to $100, depending on the software and the complexity of your return. If you file by mail, you will need to pay for postage, which is typically around $1. It is also important to note that if you owe taxes, you will need to pay by the tax deadline to avoid penalties and interest. You can pay online, by phone, or by mail. If you are due a refund, you can choose to receive it by direct deposit or by check. In conclusion, filing Ohio state taxes is a straightforward process that can be completed electronically or by mail. The cost to file varies depending on the method you choose, but electronic filing through the Ohio Department of Taxation website is free. Be sure to gather all necessary documents, choose the correct form, and file by the deadline to avoid penalties and interest.